Hey guys, quick video on how you're going to connect your Acer monitor to MacBook Air. Now, the thing is that I don't know if you have the option to have the HDMI on your MacBook Air, because then you're just going to do it and you're going to have it connected to HDMI monitor, the Acer monitor with the HDMI cable, and you're going to connect it to the HDMI MacBook Air port. So this is how you're gonna do it. Now, the issue with it is that when you don't have the HDMI port on your MacBook Air, then you need to have adapter. So you're gonna have, like, let's say HDMI Thunderbolt adapter or USB adapter, and then what you need to do, you need to buy this. So we're gonna have HDMI from the Acer monitor to this adapter, and then you're gonna connect to your MacBook, or you need to have a docking station for MacBook Air, and that you're gonna connect to. So for example, I bought something like this for my girlfriend, and then I just connect it to, let's say, HDMI USB-C adapter. And you're just gonna buy adapter for it, or for the docking station, if you got HDMI, you just connect the HDMI. That's it.